Hey yo, in this video your boy is gonna be playing Drum League Soccer, eFootball 2005 for the first time, so let's go. This is gonna be crazy. So this is just like the intro of the game. Wow, it looks so cool. You just have to like score a penalty kick at the beginning, which is awesome. Alright, let's see how this game looks. So what I'm going to be doing today, I'm going to be observing the graphic and also how the game works and how the game is. And also, if you guys enjoy this video, I'm going to make more eFootball videos like challenges, tutorials, tips, challenges, how to get players, things like that. If you guys actually enjoy it. So you can see, I got Messi on the first day of playing for eFootball. Like, this is crazy. The first day I got Lionel Messi. Come on. Let's see how many players I can get at the end of the day, because this is just so wide. Well, to be honest, I've played eFootball before when I was like, I can't remember the age, but I played football around 2022 or something like that. It was a long time ago. So let's see how this match goes. So I'm playing against AI right now, so I'm playing against a computer. So let's see how many goals I can score in the first half. I'm gonna try to score at least 10 goals in the first half. So everybody smash like, oh, let's go. So let's see how it goes. Well, I'm playing it right now at super high graphic, like the highest graphic right now. So you can see, okay, let's go, Lionel Messi. Come on, I'm just getting used to the controls. All right, Lionel Messi, get a ball, okay, or the right pass. Let's go. It's gonna be crazy. Let's score my first goal. Let's see how it goes. If you're new here, subscribe. If this video get like 50 likes, I might make another eFootball videos. So Lionel Messi with the ball. Come on. Get a ball. Ambrosio. Come on, base him. And see it come right. Give it off to Lionel Messi. I just want to score with Messi, okay? Fire it up. Okay. Let's go. Lionel Messi. Give them the Messi style. Let's go. Oh my goodness. Get a ball. Come on. You're faster than that, bro. What are you doing? Lionel Messi, that was almost a goal. The defender was like, he was there for a reason. Well, let's go. Messi, okay. Flip on the right side, join act. Okay, I know how to do it as before. I done it tutorial actually. Now, let's go. This is gonna be a goal. I can feel it. Alright, this is it. Come on. Let's go straight to the goal. I'm like, you wanna shoot like a low goal? Oh my god. Maybe this just not because it's a computer or something, but this goal was so easy. The keeper, what's wrong with you? Well, let's see. Wow, the graphic look nice. You see the graphic over there. Alright, let's see. Now, I have an 8-5 rate to Lionel Messi. Let's see how many players I can get by the end of the day. Let's see if I'm gonna get more players. So my first day I got Lionel Messi. This is crazy. Now let's go. Andre. Wow, so easy. Well, I know it's gonna be easy because I'm playing against a computer. I'm pretty sure it's gonna be hard against a real person because I've played it before and I lost a lot. Wow, not compared to Drum League Soccer. Alright, let's go. Get a ball. 2 goals right now. I want to try to score like 10 goals, but if I can score at least 5 and then before the first half end, I'm gonna end the video because it's not gonna be that possible. Let's go, Lionel Messi. Let's go. Give them the Messi style. I want to test the controller a little bit. Well, it feels smooth and the graphic look like the rig eFootball, but it's more like PC, but just like it. Messi. Come on, Leo. Let's do some good celebration. Let's see. All right. Come on, this is crazy. The graphic is sick. Much like, guys, if you want me to make more eFootball videos and more tutorials on eFootball, this is crazy. Messi. Well, I'm gonna buy Ronaldo soon. I hope I see Ronaldo. Wanna see the soon? Okay, let's go. 3 goals right now. Let's see if I can score like 5. Alright, let's get a ball. 25 minutes in right now. Okay, just come on, Lucas. Get a ball from Lucas. Yeah, that's it. Let's get the ball to Lionel Messi. Leo. That's it. Up with a sprint. Let's go with a sprint in right now. Let's go. Come on. Who the hell is Lucas Duro? Okay. Let's go, man. You got the ball, Frank. Frank got the ball. Get the ball, Frank. Lionel Messi. Leo. Messi. Lionel Messi, Lionel Messi, Lionel Messi, Leo, 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 this is it. Come on, I know the shit. Come on, Leo. Oh my goodness, how the hell did he miss this? How the hell did he miss that? Well, I think he shot the ball with the right foot and he's a left-footed player. Maybe that's why the ball didn't go in the net. Now let's go. 37 minutes in right now. This is crazy. Segro. Okay. Head the ball, head the ball, head the ball. Yeah, that's it. Come on. Get the ball. Give it up to Lionel Messi. 39 minutes right now. Lionel Messi. Lionel Messi. Oh, shit. Come on. Lionel Messi. Let's go, let's go, let's go. Akra Messi. Let's go. I just want to like try to dribble the entire team. Well, I don't want to try to start a dribble today. Maybe in the future I may start dribbling. I just want to test out the control. Alright, for 5 minutes right now. I'm just playing around. He missed it. The ball went straight to mass. This is crazy. Well, not too bad for with 5 rated Lionel Messi. This is wide. Come on, let's see. Sergio. Come on, why are you doing that? Okay, had a ball. I think I might not have much time. Halftime is almost over right now. Come on. They're gonna blow the whistle, but the ref is gonna blow the whistle. I think time is up. So that's like, this is crazy. So halftime I got like 65% possession. Maybe yeah, because I'm playing against a computer. So let's I'm gonna like end the match for now. I'm gonna like do the rest. Like the second half is gonna be off camera, to be honest. So I'm gonna see if I can get more players by the end of the day. Let's go. So at the end of the day, I managed to score 5-0, and so I got some points. I set it to auto development, something like that. So the experience points for every player was nice. So I also got some match pass. Now I'm gonna show you guys all the players I got by the end of the day, and it was crazy. I got Alexander Arnold, I got Lionel Messi, I got all the cool players. This is why just my first day in 2025. This is why we're not like Dream League Soccer. Well, I'm not gonna compare both, but both are fire. So if this video does well and you guys like it, I'm gonna make more videos on eFootball, or I might make both eFootball and DLS. Let me know what you guys think. If you do, drop a like and subscribe, and don't forget to share, guys. And I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye. See ya. So this is all over the place. Well, what is stuff in life? I think that's an anime Lionel Messi. Wow, this is cool.